Namaste to all. I am Govind Chandra Mishra from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Although I am working there, but I am original from the Odisha, Bhubaneswar. I have been working there for last 20 years. Coming to the UHV, I actually came to the contact with the UHV since 1917. I just 1917. Yes, sir, 2017. Okay. So, so that means I just got into the contact of the UHV, but my journey has not started. So that time, first time I just offline mode in our institute. Kumar Bhai was taking the session. So that time, Professor V.K. Sayal, he was actually the head of the Department of Physics, and he was actually taking this UHV to the SMU Institute. That time, I had not registered as a participant there, but I used to attend the session. बहुत अच्छा लगा session. And I had the impression ये सब चीज़ें जो बोल रहे हैं ये तो सब जानते हैं हम, ये nothing new he is telling actually. So हम तो समझदार है, हम हमारा image जो है particularly मेरा है. So I am very easy going person and I am image बहुत अच्छा है in the family, in the relationship and then institutes. So एक अच्छा इमेज है, रेस्पेक्ट मिला है, सब सब फैसिलिटी है, सब अवेलेबल है. सो वो जो ईगो है, सो दैट ईगो वाज देयर विद मी. सो आई एम वेरी स्पेशल, आई नो एवरीथिंग. एवरीथिंग मीन्स वट एवर इज बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट इज नथिंग न्यू टू मी, बिकॉज आई हैड फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड आई यूज्ड टू रीड लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, religious books and some Vedanta also. I have some interest in those things. Gita also I used to read from my childhood. So I had some acquaintance of all those, the Atma, Paramatma and all these things. So in this content I had, I didn't give much importance because I had the impression I know it. So that went. Just I listened and अच्छा लगा, but that went. 2019 में also I joined UHV 2, same in our institute. That also went like that. I just listened, अच्छा लगा, and then I also suggested all others to take this course, and this course is very useful for the students, all the students to learn it. But हम तो जानते हैं हमारे लिए कुछ यूज नहीं है. So that went. That didn't have any much impact on me. I just listened and then that went just like that. Then last year, 24 June, I was in vacation in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and then I got to know that there is a 8 days offline mode workshop is going on kids, and then since I was there in the hometown, my Bhubaneswar, and the vacation was almost over, then I called the director and tried to convince that I want to attend this UHV combined 1 and 2 workshop, and then I did that no, so he approved. We just phone call, he said yes, go ahead. Then I attended that, and Umesh Yadav Bhaiya were taking that session, and since I didn't have much work, nothing to do, so from the morning to evening I was fully concentrated on the workshop. So that the transformation started there. So then I just did, why did I miss that, lose the so many years, 2017 to 2024, last 6-7 years, why did I waste? Why didn't I give attention to improve myself? And I see lot of things, so what the impressions I had for myself, the ego, that I am special, I am different, I know most of the things. So that sort of things now is take the floor. So then I basically, my journey basically I would say started since last year June. So then I immediately after that I joined this morning session from the August, the 11th batch. I attended all the sessions. So my explorations started from there. So most thing the first thing basically I just explored is the relationship, the trust and respect. And that actually earlier I used to student whenever they do anything mistake in the class, I used to scold them, I used to sometimes I used to throw them out of the class. So ये सब जो the reaction or the reactions I used to have, so those sort of things now is gone. It's gone to, I will not say completely gone, but those sort of behavior I don't do with the students. And then I started also taking the UHV, the classroom, the semesters I have already taught. So there when I taught the students, then I applied this trust and respect to the students. So the type of behavior I used to have to the students, or my assumptions, whatever I had, so that lot of change I saw with them. And then whenever I see the student disturbing in the last bench something, they are keeping using the mobile or something, I don't get irritated toward them. And then I saw probably the way I am sharing the content is may not be reaching to them, so I have to improve myself. And I also thought that they are helping me to introspect within me and to improve. So I should have, they are helping me, so I should have a feeling of gratitude for them also. So those type of feelings I just, I saw that. So they are helping me. So in the family also I have two daughters, and one is doing the postgraduate in medicines, and the elder one, the younger one is doing the job after completing the computer science engineering. So they are staying outside. My wife and me are staying in the room in the SMIT alone. So my wife is basically the best critic of me. So she said when I used to listen all these morning sessions, so then she keeps telling, I put in the speaker, she also listens something, and then she how much time you listen these things, because every day from 5:30, and so and then you have to do something. It's not keep listening. And I told that whatever I am doing, whatever change, he also saw. He acknowledged the change within me, within the relationship, in the relatives, and within the family also. So that he acknowledged that, well, whatever is being done, although because I am listening those, so those type of things I am inculcating in myself, and the change that is being observed because of that only. So she also appreciated that. She has not done. So I think she will come sometimes. So now I am teaching this. As for volunteering, I have not contributed much, but I will definitely will help. Because now Professor Sayal, who has actually brought the UHB to the SMIT last February this year. So now I have taken the charge of the university coordinator. UHB cell also I am just looking after her. So now I have to take more active role and take this volunteership more. So thank you.